morning, my friend. Let's enjoy this beautiful day. Enjoy yourself. Breakfast is on the table. Okay, whatever. Do you want to play some basketball after I finish work?
Above zero. I hope it's not.
What did you say? Do you want to play some basketball after I finish work? Sure thing.
We'll keep them warm on the ride. A 60-minute carriage ride, taking them throughout the city. Otherwise, it's just going to be more difficult for Lynn to keep her out.
I'm done. Let's go.
Okay, I'm right behind you.
Više od glazbe, Rovi FM.
let's play 1-on-1 and who gets first 2 points wins. Okay, I'm down. Okay, shoot for the ball. Okay. I'm out. Okay. Oh, I need some help in the garden. Are you coming?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. It will be faster if you help me.
Okay, I will be there in 10 minutes.
Thanks. You gonna mow the lawn or what? Where did he disappeared? Damn it. Ah, what? Is this your bed for tonight? So the moral story of this video is to be more like Patrick 1, not like Patrick 2, or try not to be Patrick 2. Why not? Well, you didn't change yourself, you didn't clean yourself, you didn't cook anything, and you didn't do anything useful the whole day. Okay, maybe you're right. Thank you. Anyway, back to this. Big thanks to my girlfriend Martina, my friends Carlo and Toto, and my mom and my brother for helping me out with this project. Huge thanks! Go on, thank you for watching, and make sure to like this video if you really subscribe liked it. And hit the bell to get notified for future videos. And comment down below who you liked more, me or him. Me. And now, bloopers. Okay, ne znam što sam htio poslije napraviti. Čekaj još jedno ćemo.
Dobro, ajmo još jedan put.
A će on morat.
Teško.
Da.
Zašto?
A zabavam se. Fuck. Nisam počeo jest.
Ne, dajmo pamet.
Krivo sam se stavio. Isto noć. Krivo sam bac. Ne, krivo. Čekaj, moram prvo pljesti. Prosti, ajde. Aj. Ne! The garden, are you coming?
Ma snimam!
Kao.
A! Čak sam rekao A.
Ja. Mjerljivo je bilo.
O, da. Ovo čak je bilo. What? Ne mogu te gledati u oči. Ne smijam si me.
Da.